Haridwar.
Okay, 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 okay. And yes, continue.
Yeah, and I have done my graduation in mechanical engineering.
In mechanical engineer. Okay, you have to complete your graduation
Yeah, I have completed in 2016, bro.
2016. So right now you are a working professional, I think.
Not yet, bro. Actually, now I am staying at home. You can say I'm jobless right now. I'm looking for another job. But before I worked 4 years continuously in private sector.
Okay. So right now you got any job?
No, actually, I have applied on so many online platform like on
Mhm.
Naukri.com, Sign.com, Indeed. But literally, I'm not getting any kind of positive response from there.
Okay. Yes, I because this is lockdown times and definitely most of the company, yes, they are going in loss. So definitely when the condition will be fine, so definitely they provide a lot of opportunity for the people.
Yeah, right, brother. Yes. It's maybe the situation. Okay, so like, tell me about yourself now, bro.
Yes, why not? Yes, my name is Pankaj. I am already told you, and I am from Himachal, but recently I live in Faridabad, Haryana.
Yeah.
Faridabad, Haryana, and I am working in IT sector. I am working in IT company. Yes.
Okay, bro.
So,
So, what did you do in study?
yes, I have done my graduation. I have done my BTech.
Oh, great.
Yes.
We both are from same background.
Yes, but my stream is different. My stream is
Yeah,
electronic
stream
and
is
communication.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Yeah. So, which year you have completed your graduation?
2015.
Oh, you were my senior.
don't don't be silly like that. I'm not your senior. I'm your friend, brother. You can call me Pankaj.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So, brother, like
So
you have done your graduation in electronics, electrical and electronic communication. Sorry. In which
no.
stream?
Electrical is different. Electronic and communication is different.
Okay, electronics and communication you have done.
Yes, but my core field is networking. Right now, I'm working in. I deal with networking devices like router switches, firewall,
Okay.
this kinds of
Got it.
thing. Yes, Cisco devices, router switches. You heard about Cisco?
Cisco.
Yes.
Yeah. I have seen the switches and some electronics equipment of that brand.
Yes. So yes. So I think now is your focus on your communication skill. You
Actually,
getting
bro,
my voice?
no, I'm not getting your voice like clear.
I'm just asking. Yes, there is some signal issue. Yeah, I'm just asking you. So nowadays, you are searching job as well as focus on your communication skill, practice of
Yeah.
English speaking. Right.
Right, brother. Yeah, now I'm totally immersed in English.
Okay. So you talk? How many people you talk daily?
Uh, Oftenly, I just talk with 5 to 6 guys daily.
Yes, that's very good. That's very good, man. Definitely, because this is a pandemic situation and everyone sitting their home. So definitely, it's a very good opportunity to learn something unique.
Yeah, right, brother.
And side by side, you can also focus on your technical skill. Yes.
Yeah, actually, brother, I have done in mechanical, but I worked in another department. Like I worked
Not an
as
issue.
an
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, brother. Because yes, it doesn't matter. You are coming from mechanical engineer and you are working in electrical departments or electric. It doesn't matter.
hmm,
Satisfaction is most important thing.
right, brother. Hmm.
Yes.
So like when did you start your journey to learn English?
For during lockdown time, I joined this group for September month, and that time I don't know how to talk in English, but yes, slowly I make my habit in English and daily talk with people. And yes, I feel something is I can talk with any person is right now.
Great, bro. You did great job.
So yes, Rahul, tell me, Rohit, your name is Rohit. Na?
Yeah, brother. Right.
So Rohit, tell me how the weather in Uttarakhand. Oh, you are from Uttarakhand.
Yeah, bro. Actually,
How's the weather in
yeah.
Uttarakhand nowadays?
Weather is having uh hot, very hot in nowadays.
Hot,
Yeah,
hot.
yeah, bro.
Okay, but it's rarely happen now during this month hot in Uttarakhand.
Yeah, because totally summer season has come, entered.
Okay, summer season has come. Okay. So yeah, if you want to ask anything, so you can ask me.
Yeah. So, brother, like, how much time do you spend in a day towards your English communication skill?
Yes. Uh, when I have mood and I have just thinking, just talk with people, so I am simply write message on Vishnu in Vishnu Bharata group. And if anybody wants to talk, so definitely I should go for talk. And more, yes, if you are asking about timing, so definitely most of the time you can say most of the time because side by side I am doing my job and most of the time maximum time I watch English related content on YouTube. Yes, more conversation videos, how the people talk and what kinds of word they are using when they talk with each other. So you can say yes, in 24 hour I spend maximum time in English. I spend maximum time in practice English because it's a basic need. Yeah, it's a basic need. It is the demand of time.
Yeah, right. It's very necessity in this era. So, bro, like you have YouTube channel, so tell me about something about your channel. Like when you
I'm not.
started it.
Yes, because it's my passion. It's my passion. I'm not make YouTube channel for my growth purpose or I want more fame in my because it's my passion and right now I'm talking with you. So yes, in this video I'm just after cut this video I upload on my YouTube channel and that's is and there is no another reason to upload videos because it's my passion and definitely if I right now I am a beginner and if someone watch my videos and they also can take benefit yes if I can speak so they can also speak
Right. You have good
otherwise
like
no.
motive behind your action.
Yes.
So,
I
brother,
show yes ask.
yeah, how many like subscribers you have right now?
Mm, eight subscriber right now. I have eight subscriber, but these all are from Vishnu Bharadwaj group because when I make my YouTube channel, so I put the link of my channel on in Vishnu Bharadwaj. So they if someone are some person are like my video, so yes, they subscribe my channel.
Okay, good. Okay, brother. So when you started it, when you
For
made it.
one week ago.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
So like you have you have got pupils to subscribe your channel like very soon in huge amount.
So repeat it again.
Yeah, I'm saying that, bro. As you told me, you have 80 subscribers right now.
Eight, not 80, not 80. Eight. Only
Oh,
eight
eight.
subscriber right now.
Okay, 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 brother. Okay.
Yes. Because this is my starting time. Yes. And I am not focused on my subscriber. Yes. It is increase or decrease because it's my passion and I follow my passion. That's it.
Great.
Yes.
So, do you have any topic
So
to discuss upon that?
definitely, if you want to discuss, definitely I have a topic.
Okay, brother.
Yes, so we both are discuss on trending topic like most of the people nowadays work from home. So what do you think? What's your opinion about work from home is good or offline work is good?
Actually, bro, as per my point of view, working from home it's has some disadvantages and some advantages. Like
Mm-hmm.
if you are working from home and you have get this kind of opportunity, so like despite working from home, you just can spend your time with your family.
Okay.
And if you work from home, so you definitely like maybe get some disturbance.
Okay.
You would not be able to pay attention more as you
Mm-hmm.
worked in office before.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yes. Continue. Continue.
And there is also one thing here, like if you are working from home and some of companies are like not providing the exact salary. They
Okay.
have they have made some deduction in salary
Mm-hmm.
amount.
Mm-hmm.
So it's also you are getting like loss from company.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
And
So you mean to say offline work is good?
yeah, work is good, right, brother?
Mm-hmm. But
There
during
you can.
this, but during this, but
Mhm.
brother, during this pandemic situation, work from home is good because it's very dangerous to go outside. If you go outside, so it's very difficult for your life. Yes.
Yeah, I'm totally agree with your point, bro. Actually, you are saying very correctly. If you work from home, so like you will keep prevent yourself to get infected by
Mm-hmm.
any kind of disease. I'm not talking about
Mm-hmm.
particularly corona.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
And
and when you are when you went for offline work, so definitely you find a lot of if you stuck with lot of jam in road, and firstly you take auto or bus for your to reach your home to reach your office. So it's very hectic task for the any person.
yeah,
But
yeah.
brother,
And
everything has some pro and cons. Everything has some advantage and
yeah,
disadvantage. So yes.
some advantage, yeah. Right. Actually, one
Okay.
more thing here is very beneficial for everyone. Those are working from home. Actually, if they are working from home, so they don't have need like to pay any kind of expense.
Yes, 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 definitely, absolutely. This is a main point. Yes,
Yeah, brother.
yes, definitely, definitely. But but according to my point of view, in online work, if you ask something, so definitely if you have a proper internet connection in your mobile phone, so that's why you can ask anything from your senior person. Otherwise, it's very difficult task to communicate with anyone
Yeah, yeah, right, brother.
because not even every person live in city. Most of the people they are living in village area. So yeah, there is some signal issue. They are facing some signal kind of issue as well.
Yeah, it might be happen.
Yes, 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 yes. So I think this topic is endless. We can't. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, brother. I'm listening you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, we
So
have covered, I think, all the points, all the major
yeah,
issues.
absolutely. So, so tell me more something about yourself, Rahul. Yes, nowadays you don't have any job, so you feel some worry, you feel some nervousness or some anxiety kinds of thing. Because
Yeah,
I
yeah,
know when a person lost the job, so that time they feel very depressed, and they always thinking, yes, why I'm leave the previous job. That time, if I am not leave the job, so it would be better for my career.
yeah. Actually, bro, if I talk about myself, so I'm very like conscious and very anxious towards my career. So sometimes it's happen like whenever I'm uh, putting my effort to searching a job and to get a job, but then I get a disappointment. So I just felt very like restless and very hopeless. And sometimes my parents and some of my neighbors and my relatives like emphasize me and they ask me why you are not working, why you did left job until you didn't get any opportunity from another.
Yes,
So that's the
this
reason sometimes it's made me like it's made me felt very bad.
it's happened with not with you. It's happened with every person. Yes, when they lost their job, so definitely most of the neighbors they always blaming. They always said that yes, why are you leaving the previous job? I know very well because I am also faced same situation as like you. Yes, when I leave my previous job, so after that after that I search job, but yes, it will take it will take 1 month to search another job. So that time, yes, this type of negative vibes come to your in your minds, definitely. But don't we focus on the people because people always demotivate you, never
Yeah,
always
yeah.
demotivate you. Yes, just focus on yourself and yes, updated your resume daily basis and totally more focus on communication skill because if you become a good speaker and if you explain each and everything related to your work very clearly with others, so definitely no one can stop you to get a job. But
Right, brother.
stay calm and be positive. That is on this is a
Yeah,
main
that
thing.
is the thing. Actually, bro, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to keep like patience ourselves in that situation.
I know, because I am also facing, brother. I am also come from this situation. Yes, I know very well. But focus on, focus on when you feel something negative. So busy your mind. Let's read something. Let's talk with people. Talk with people in English. When you feel frustrated, you write message on Vishnu Bhardat group and yes, talk with people. Choose any topic like related to your study. Like choose any topic which you like most.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you are interested in
Yeah,
cricket or yes,
most
because
of
when you
time I do that, bro. Yeah.
yes, because when you talk with people, so that time you remove your frustration. I know very well. I know. So yes, when you feel anxiety kinds of thing, and when you feel, yes, I feel so much exhausted and I feel so much stress right now. So let's go for talk. Yes, and when you feel something, so you can write message on my WhatsApp. I am always available because I have a lot of times. Because Saturday and Sunday I am totally free. Saturday and Sunday I am totally free
Yeah, brother. Yeah,
because
yeah. So,
my office is 5 day working, and Saturday and Sunday I am totally focused on my communication skill. Yes.
yeah, yeah, brother. So, brother,
Yes.
you are like going your office daily or you are working from home?
No, 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 no. I am always went to office daily basis because it's my company take judiciary project. My company take Chandigarh High Court project, and judiciary is judiciary cannot be closed, and it's always open. During lockdown time, I am also went to my office, wearing mask and hand sanitizer because
Yeah,
it's a
brother.
government project, and yes.
Okay, brother. So,
Yes,
are you living there alone?
yes. I living in Faridabad, Haryana. I am living in Faridabad, Haryana right now. Faridabad.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, brother. So,
There is only thing when you feel something negative, talk with people. Talk with people and discuss whatever you thinking, whatever you think. Talk with people. Yes, I feel something like that. So yes, how can I remove? So when you talk with people, so that time you feel good. You feel good, and positive energy automatically will come in your mind.
right, brother, right.
And spend maximum time, do exercise, and
Yeah, yeah, brother. Right, right.
if I talking about myself, because I am live alone here, and I have one friends I have one friends from Uttarakhand. He's living beside my room. His room location is beside by my room. So when I feel something, yes, I feel bored and I feel nervousness kinds of things. So I called to him and let's go for park, and yes. So right now I came from park to play badminton. I always play badminton for 1 hour in the evening time.
Right, brother. So, like, where he is from in Uttarakhand?
He is proper from Dehradun, not from Uttarakhand. He is from Dehradun city.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, Dehradun also
Yes,
come in Uttarakhand, bro.
yes. So basically, he is coming from city Dehradun, properly Dehradun.
Okay, brother. Okay.
So Rahul, I think this is a very nice talk with you, and I right now I am
Yeah, nice to
preparing
talk to you,
prepare.
bro.
I have Yes, I have to prepare my food right now. So
Okay, bro.
next time, tomorrow, definitely when if you have time, so you can write message on my WhatsApp. So definitely we both on discuss on any topic.
Sure, bro. Sure.
So have a nice day, brother, and yes, bye bye.
Same, bro. Bye, bro.